Well, if I can help you summarize your key competencies when it comes to your profession, all in minutes. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today using your ChatGPT history. I'm Mark DeGrasse, founder of AI Branding Academy, and as business professionals and just people in general, we tend to underestimate our capabilities, and because of that, we don't find the opportunities that might be perfect for us. What I did today was put together a short prompt that you can use, provided that you've used ChatGPT for a while. What it'll do is help analyze your history, perform a SWOT analysis, and then tell you what your core competencies are, what you can improve, and also what positions will be perfect for you as a professional. All right, so here's the prompt right here. I need to do a better job explaining my strengths as a business professional. Could you please review all of my past chats and perform a SWOT analysis? Then provide a summary with my key strong points, ideal positions that could use them, and a list of things I could work on to improve my core competencies. All right, and here's what it did. It actually went through all of my previous chats, and it told me things that I'm good at. I'm a visionary thinker and strategic leader, an innovative brand strategist, a creative technologist and prompt engineer, content creator and educator, empathetic and mission-driven, and a versatile communicator. My weaknesses, of course, are tendencies towards overcommitment. I struggle with task prioritization, delegation, scalability, and under-leveraging personal authority. It's all related to my mindset. I love seeing it because you're like, oh my gosh, I know I need to work on it. It tells me about my opportunities in terms of the AI market, public speaking, licensing, and community building and certification programs. The threats are market saturation, burnout risk, and over-reliance on yourself. And here's some key strong points. So again, this is something that may take a therapist years to put together. And in literally 30 seconds, you could do this using ChatGPT. So all you have to do is copy the prompts, go ahead and open up ChatGPT. Now, this does assume that you use ChatGPT quite often, and I use it for personal and professional stuff, so it knows a lot about me. I basically use it as a therapist. So if you're looking for something like that and you don't mind, giving your information to a heartless corporation, then go ahead and do that. But chances are the information that you've done online has been collected already, so don't be too scared that the cat's out of the bag. But what you need to do here is just copy and paste this in, and that's it. You don't have to customize anything. It's based on your actual chat history, and so it'll just perform the task really easily. So you put that in, say go, and then it's going to do a SWOT analysis and provide those other key elements. So you could hopefully use it to get a better job, improve your business, improve your life in general, and just learn more about yourself. All right, so there you have it. Very simple task today, but it could be extremely powerful. If you're doubtful about what you're good at, or if you just never knew because you never took the time to think about it, this prompt can really help you. It'll also help you find areas of improvement and maybe areas of opportunity in terms of job roles if you are looking for a job. If you're a professional or somebody who does consulting like I do, now I know different areas that I could go into, and I also know that I tend to screw up in terms of the amount of projects I take on and delegating and things I already knew I was weak at. But it is good to hear from an unfeeling machine what my actual chat history says about what I do. So go ahead and give it a shot. And if you haven't used ChatGPT too much, just start using ChatGPT a lot. Whenever you have a question, use it instead of Google, and you'll start to build up this database of thought that will really help you look into how you make decisions in the future.